Hello everyone. Today I will talk about only the 5 points about the difference between businessman and employees. And let's begin this. Okay. First difference: employees always limit themselves on at a one point. Like I don't go from outside my limit. He never tried to just jump on on his limit. And if we looks like a businessman, then businessman always try to jump from his limit. Okay, like in a market, another competitor will come and just try to compete another businessman. Then he has some idea about that competitor, why are he compete us. Then on that time he takes a reasonable action on that competitor, and after the some time he gets his result and he gets a growth in his business because he is trying to just keep trying to improve and keep trying to just adapt the things. And the main problem in our society is that we are not able to adapt the situation. This is the real problem. We wouldn't adopt the things like a businessman. If we talk about the big companies like Elon Musk, Tesla, and Alibaba, they are the most successful person in his life because of not a he did a degree qualification. The main thing is that he tries to just keep his hard work, patience, consistent in his life. That's why he's a successful person in his life. And the another difference is that we don't have to be like a job seeker. We have to be job creator on a one day, and we can do so. But you have to just try to improve yourself. Without improvement you can't do nothing in your life. That's the real truth of our life. As a poor person, we never goes out of our limit because we think that, oh, I am a poor guy, I don't have a lot of money as compared to businessman. That's why I couldn't do nothing. But we have a one line: if we born poor, this is not our fault. But we die poor, it's your fault and my fault. Okay, just try to keep hard work and be patient in your life. Okay, and we know that we are a poor person and we don't have a lot of resource to improve ourselves. But the one thing is that hard work and dedication about our goals. And your goals can be anything. You want to be a cricketer in your life, you want to a businessman, doctor, engineer, and that can be anything. But for that you have to just try to keep focus on your goal. Unless you know the condition of our countries, nowadays 50% of the students are just trying to scroll the reels on 24 hour. But they don't try to just keep the things and go away from the Instagram. is only scrolling the reels. I tell you one thing, and you should just try to know about that. Today is like age at the age of 16 to 21, 22, the student who are studying the college, and they may be doing some pursuing for some competitive exam, but they are not present in a study. They are only thinks about his planning. I have to go on that place, making fun of his friend and just celebrating Valentine Day. Oh, I tell you one thing, one truth, bro. If you have a success, if you have a success in your life, then girls will come automatically. Just focus on your goal. If you want to chase any girls, then she go away from your life. Just try to keep hard work. Okay. And the next thing, employees always seeks I be a like a seeker, job seeker in his life, and never try to just go away from his limit. That's why he always be a job worker. That's the truth. For that we have to just try to improve our mentality and just change our mindset. Don't try to keep yourself at a poor person, as like a poor person, and at a poor place. Okay, just try to keep hard work and be patient. After that you can do anything in your life. And bro, I am completing my video, and don't forget to skip and your days that their day you have to start. Okay, let's complete this. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.